Hello Live Wires, Heather Boyd Wire here. Today we're going to make a mushroom ring. What we need for this project are round pliers, flat pliers, cutters. I'm using 20 gauge wire. I have my ring mandrel and a variety of beads. So I'm going to start by doing a loop in the wire. We're going to give it the impression that it has some little spots. So we're just going to do that. We're going to make some smaller than others. So we're just going to do a couple of little loops, and then this one can just kind of come around like that, and then maybe one around here. Try to keep it a little bit asymmetrical, and then this can go out like that. So that looks a little bit like a mushroom cap, and then we're just going to take this one in. I'm going to bring this one down and around, and then on this side just bring it out, bring this one in, and bring it in like that. And then the bottom you can do curved, or you can do it more rectangular, whatever you like. So we're just going to bring that one in here, and then you can even do another loop in the middle if you like. So we can just take this and do another kind of loop to make another spot in the middle. So we have it looking like that. Adjust it as you need. And then from here we want to twist it around there. So we're just going to bring it all the way around. You can give it a double twist, or you can just finish it off. So if you want it more clean, just pull it back a bit, clip it, and then just pinch it in so that's hidden underneath. So now we have the mushroom, super cute. And then we're just going to take this wire and bring it over to the side, that's the back, put it on the ring mandrel, bring it around, all the way around, bring it underneath the stem again. If you have a longer wire, you could go around twice to make it more solid. And then we're just going to bring this one around here, and then we're just going to take this end and just give it a good little tug. Clip it, remove it if it hasn't clipped quite through, pinch that in, pinch that there, put it back on the ring mandrel to adjust it, push it so it's curved around a little bit, and there you have your super cute, easy all wire mushroom ring. So you can also use 18 gauge wire. So we can just start around the middle, and then we're just going to bring this over and then start forming our mushroom cap. However you like the shape. You can look at images on Google if you want. And then we're just going to bring this one around, bend this one out till you're happy with the shape, and then bring this one around that way. So there we have about approximate shape of the cap, and then we want to make the base again. So we're going to take this, bring this one around. If you want it more squared at the bottom, just use your flat pliers to make it more square. I'm going to give that a little bend straight up, and then this one I'm going to wind around here. So we'll just take this one, bring it all the way around, give it a good little pinch, and then we'll get our ring mandrel and bring it all the way around. We can make it any size we want. From here we'll just take the end, bring the end around here. It's easier if the end's a little longer sometimes. You can always go in with your round pliers and just bring it down. Push that in there, clip it, and just pinch it in place. Now we have a very basic mushroom shape, and this one I'm going to turn into a spiral. So I'll cut it to about 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches, cut it flush, and then I'm going to take the end with my round pliers. These are my favorite fine nose round pliers. Bring that around and then just keep going with your spiral. So I like to start it with the round pliers, and then you can get your flat pliers and bring it in. Just slowly, little flick of the wrist, just bring it in. Bend that over a little bit if you need to have this more centered. And there you have your spiral, and then you can just kind of push this down in the cap there, and then you're going to put it back on the ring cone, adjust it as you need, and there's your super cute little mushroom with the spiral top. So now I'm going to put some colorful beads in the mushroom, so we're just going to bend that at an angle. We'll put on a 4mm Miracle Bead. We're just going to bend this around to one side, around there, and then we can also bend this one around the back so it's surrounded all around with wire. So we have it around one way and the other way, and then we're going to just bring this one down. To make it more wide at the top, you just bend it around and then open it up a little bit, and then it becomes a little more wide. And then from there we can do one over here, put another bead in there, and then again we can go like to the back and then around to the front, so it's fully surrounded with the wire. Okay, and then again here we can just bend the wire, and then we can get another bead, stick it on there, and then we'll bend it to the back first and then to the front. So this is what we have so far. If you want one to be a little higher than the other, you can just rotate it a little bit. So we're going to just take these out to the side. Keep it simple. And then we're going to bring this one in. Then bring this one down. And then bring this one in. Adjust it out if you have to a little bit like that. So just play around with it till you have a nice shape of a mushroom cap. And then the bottom, whether you want to make it squared or round, that's totally up to you. It's kind of cute round. Make it as tall as you want. And then we're just going to bend this one out to the side. So you see the back, it goes around and out to the side. And then we're going to take this wire, hold this in place so it's centered, and then just bend it around. Give it a pull, clip it, push that one in. Now we'll put it on the ring mandrel. We're just going to bend it around. Now if you want the ring to be more solid, go around a few times. So 1, 2, 3. Especially with the 20 gauge wire, it's a little bit soft, depending on the brand too. Now we'll just hold these in place, and I'm going to go around. And I'm actually going to go around a couple of times to be sure that it's super solid. You can just go around once if you don't want too much coiling there. Clip it, pinch that in, make sure these are close together, put it back on the ring mandrel, adjust it as you need. You can even like push this down if you want as well. And there you have another super cute mushroom ring. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out our work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to submit your email, I will send you my free Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.